Hi there guys, welcome back and another van video. Just wanted to say thank you very much for everybody who's commented about the t-shirts in our last video. Thank you. Quite surprised about the interaction about that, but that's not what this video is about. This video is about this box. What's in the box? Give you a clue. What it is now I'm going to take a van apart and we'll find out what is actually in the box in a minute. Well, let's just say
try to put it higher.
Out with the old, in with the new. So I've been talking to a company, you probably have all heard about them. I know they're on Facebook. I've been talking to them on my Instagram, and they're called VW Monkeys. They sell pretty much everything that you need for most VWs, but more importantly the T4, which quite a lot of companies don't do. They do a set of rear lights that I do really want, but that's not what this video is about. I've been talking to them about a set of proper rear springs for mine, and everybody I've spoken to has said get the Faulkner, get the Faulkner. Well, I have finally bit the bullet and I ordered myself some 5-inch Faulkner Springs. So obviously got the pair, because obviously why wouldn't I get the pair? And I was talking to them because you get them load rated depending on what you want, different heights, different load rating, and I was talking to them about it, and these are the 5-inch 1,100 pound Faulkner Springs. Now if I remember, I'll put a screenshot on the screen, but I've been talking to these guys a lot. This isn't a sponsored video, by the way. I've been speaking to these guys a lot about this, and this is what they recommended. I have a funny feeling it's not going to be long until I go to the 4-inch springs, but I have finally no longer got these cut springs go into the proper Faulkners. I mean, look just like that. Fits inside. In fact, there you go. 5-inch 1,100. So yeah, really pleased. I mean, they weren't cheap, but you are paying for quality. So I'm going to get these fitted to the van. If you have any questions, go over to VW Monkeys, ask them. They're very helpful people. They'll answer any questions you've got for them, whether it's springs or shocks or lights, or they do a load of like wiring looms. They're very helpful people. So if you've got any questions, go over to them and speak to them. Tell them I sent you as well, because you never know. Might be able to drop you a discount code one day. But got me some Faulkner Springs. So sad. I'm going to get these put on and we will see how this actually sits. I mean, look, they're a little bit lower than my original ones were, but these are a lot stronger. So, I mean, if I stand on this one, enjoying my safety shoes, I can make that one move. Get on this one, barely moves. So, we'll see. And that's how much I've been rubbing. So hopefully we'll figure that out. I need to get new tyres for the back anyway. So there we go. Let's get to getting these springs on. They don't need any other adapting. Obviously you know that I have, where is it? I have cut my bump stop. I need to go up a bit. And I have relocated my shock, so I am more than ready for this. Just literally, little helper. Can you pass me the shock, please, little helper? Not the shock, the spring. Can you pass me the spring, please, little helper?
Yeah.
The spring goes back. There we go. The spring, I don't even have to take anything apart. Spring goes on. Little helper takes the camera. Now, obviously I'll tighten them up better, more when, look at the state of these wheels. Wow, got to get Toby out here to clean these again. Gonna tighten them up a lot better soon once it's on the floor and it's got pressure on it, but literally just need to lower this down and make sure the spring sits where it needs to. V-Dub Monkey does make like a supporting strap that goes round the control arm, so or the, yeah, I think it's the bottom control arm, and it will stop it from maxing out any further to let your spring jump out in case you are gonna take some jumps. I don't quite understand why you'd ever be doing anything where your tire's going to come down this much for your spring to pop out, but they do sell that in case you need it. It's like a little, I'll try and put a picture on the screen. It's like a supporting strap, bolts to either side of the chassis, and it stops the control arm coming down too far to let the spring come out. I don't know, they sell that if you're interested. It's on the site as well. They sell it as a pack as well, I think. I know I'm in the way of the camera shot for this, sorry. If you want to see how I've done the relocation on the strut, there should be a card up on the screen here somewhere. Quite an easy job, well worth doing if you do want to go a bit lower. Well, there it is. Faulkners are on. A little bit higher than it was, but these springs are going to need to settle. So I'm not too concerned right now. And I no longer have these cut ones, so these can go in the pile of scrap where my other ones go. And eventually, once we're out of lockdown and the scrap man comes round, it's got a fair bit of scrap. Got a cylinder head in there, I've got an old fire pit, there's loads for him. So any scrap men are in the area, got a load of scrap for you, mate. Like I said, this is going to have to settle because this is obviously a bit higher, but I'm not going to rub my tyre, which is pretty good. So hopefully this will settle a little bit more. Like I said, it probably won't be too long until I get the 4-inch. We are now going to go and do
the other side.
And as easy as that, both sides are done. This side I cut a little bit less than the other side. It's still got the spirally bit, but yeah, these are finally gone. Yeah, I am pleased. I mean, they haven't settled yet, obviously, they've only just been put on, but I'm very pleased with the quality, very pleased with the springs. Like I said, if you want to see how I relocated my strut and any other mods, they'll be in my channel somewhere. I don't know if you've seen in the last video, I did actually raise the front of my van just a little bit because it was sat a little bit too low on the bump stops. I do have the Scarface Lowrider drop links, the shortened drop links. I was going to make my own, but Shane's a good guy, I trust him, and I don't trust my own welding, so I bought his instead. Yeah, kind of pleased with this. I mean, I'm hoping that they settle a little bit because I don't know, just hoping for a little bit more low. So look out for the 2-inch springs, or sorry, the 4-inch springs. I can see them coming soon. But I mean, it's an easy job once you've already done some of the lowering mods, like relocating the strut and stuff like that. You can pretty much do it just by jacking the van up and taking the wheel off. Put the new shocks and stuff in, and if you don't, it's only a 17mm nut on the end of the shock anyway, so it's an easy job. But goodbye crappy old ones. And my daughter thought, for a job well done, why not have a cider? And spill it down your face. Well, that's pretty much the end of the video. Like I said, it was a quick, easy, I don't really want to be doing that, so I got a dirty mark on my face now. It was just a quick, easy video. It's just me putting the actual proper springs where they were supposed to be, not these cut, horrible, crappy ones. I've got so much crap here. I will probably, at the end of this video, put the next day where this is our chance to settle and show you exactly where it's sat. Just so you guys can actually see where it is actually sat on proper springs. Doesn't need that.
Yeah.
Sorry, my daughter's filming and she's telling me that the camera's running out of battery. I do have the Scarface drop links coming, and there's someone else coming. I got a steering wheel, an aftermarket steering wheel. A friend of mine from work called Matt, he's on Instagram. In fact, he's actually just bought himself a van. I think it's called Delilah the T4. I'll put it probably here. Go give him a follow. He's got really good ideas of what he wants to do, and it's nice to know that I've got another VW friend just down the road that I can go and have a play with. The van, obviously. Like I said in the other video, I'm still waiting on my t-shirts and hoodies and key rings. I've got loads of stuff coming in, so look forward to that. And I want to say thank you to James Mitchell. Sorry if I got your name wrong. He was the first guy to actually put in an order for that t-shirt. So I haven't actually released him yet, but he reached out to me on Instagram and said he wanted to buy one. So thank you, mate. Should be with you in the next day or so if you haven't already got that. And once I do drop my merch, I am going to be doing a giveaway on a t-shirt. It'll be a colour of your choice, so look out for that. That will be coming soon. Thank you very much to all of you guys for watching this video and all the support over my Instagram and on my YouTube. It's lovely to hear you guys sending your messages in saying how much it's been helpful and what have you, so thank you. If you have anything you want me to film, put that in that comment section below. That's what it's there for. But I'm gonna go drink the rest of this beer and probably another few more, and well, just go enjoy life. If you like this video, please give it a great big thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, go hit that subscribe button and take it easy, guys.